Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we're having issues with our AC defroster. Let me show you what's going on with our ZDX AC. Alright. So right now the mode selector won't change our AC. So right now it's stuck on defrost and the footwell down by your driver's side feet. When we change the mode, the speed changes, but the vents don't change. The vents are stuck so this one's still blowing through the vent, and it's not moving down to the foot area. This side is not moving to this vent. We don't feel much air coming through this vent, but we feel the defrost and the footwell on the driver's side. I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose it with the built-in system. So let's go ahead and turn off the vehicle. All right, so right now we're completely off. You want to turn on your vehicle. So this turns on like this, and then you turn it off. Then you turn it back on. Press and hold this for 5 seconds, and then you can press this 5 times. There. So this is the diagnostic sequence. It's going to go through all of your AC settings. You can just kind of watch it as it goes through. Okay, so ours is showing an error right now. So do you see where the lines are on this diagnostic? There. So you're seeing the top left and right from the 88, from the first 8. So I'm going to show you how to look it up to see what's going on with the system. But that's the diagnostic sequence. To exit out, you just turn off your vehicle. There we go. So now it's back to normal. There. So now we're out of diagnostic sequence, and you can just control it normally. So we're gonna, there we go. All right. Okay, so what we just did was this diagnostic sequence right here. So troubleshooting, use self-diagnostic function without the HDS system. But we just did that, and here's the error codes over here for the results. So we had A and E that was lit up. And you can just basically, depending on which one is lit up on your vehicle, it'll tell you what's the issue. There's more of the diagnostic. Okay, so the issue that's showing on our system is A and mode right here. So there's an open and short on driver's mode control. So we have an issue with the mode control. So that's what my first thought was. And then E and mode, passenger mode control as well. So both the passenger and the driver's side mode control is having issues. So we'll go ahead and replace both of them. I have the parts on ordered already, and then when they get in, I'll show an installation video on it. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.